All right, building in Florida, Mighty House on Facebook. So inside the house, drywall's all taped. It's been primed. This window's pretty cool. So this particular house has a boat garage, and this owner wanted to be able to see out into the garage and see his big boat. It's made for a 35-footer. It's a fire-rated window. It's a 1-hour burn. So perfectly legal to have that in the house. That's your standard 20-minute door. View of the bay. Notice the coffered ceilings everywhere, all metal framed and drywall. Those usually just get painted in a trim color, and it's amazing how they stand out. This is the kitchen area. Again, beautiful bay views. And then when I was doing the stucco outside, showed you the temporary air unit sitting outside. So you'll see, there's your inlets, there's your return. So they just run wild, but it dehumidifies the house, allows us to keep moving forward. So they're starting floor prep now. They've scraped all the floors. They've got a grinder upstairs that they'll start going over all the floors, patch low spots. And I'll come back when we get into more floor installation.